Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to open .hlp files on Windows 10. This type of file is an exclusive format for online help files that can be displayed by the Microsoft Help browser, winhelp.exe or winhelp32.exe. Nowadays in Windows 10 such files can no longer be opened, even though they could still prove useful to some users. So stay tuned and you'll be able to learn how to do this in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution could be copying the WinHelp32.exe from Windows XP PC. Windows 10 doesn't have a WinHelp32 executable file that is in charge of HLP files, and to fix this issue you can copy this file from Windows XP if you have an old PC running the older version of Windows. Also, if you have a Windows XP installation disk, you can set up a virtual machine with VirtualBox on your PC. You can then install the aforementioned Windows and then transfer WinHelp32 executable. Another great solution is converting the HLP files to PDF documents. Although the HLP files have their advantage, some users are suggesting that the best way to view those files is to convert them to PDF documents. This is a relatively simple procedure, but in order to do it you need to find a proper converter online. There are many free converters online, so feel free to try any of them. You could also try using command prompt. To do that, you have to create a temp folder on one of your drives. Then the location of the directory should be the drive you chose and the folder called temp. Now you can copy the WinHelp32 executable to the temp folder. Then open Notepad and write the following lines. Now click on File, then Save As. Set the Save As type to All Files, and then enter the desired file name as win10 line hlp32 line fix.cmd. Then select the drive and the temporary folder as the save location and click the Save button. Now you need to start command prompt as administrator. To do that, simply click the Start button in the lower left corner and type in cmd. Then right-click on command prompt and run as administrator. Then, when command prompt starts, just switch to the drive you chose and the temp folder and then run the following command. win10 line hlp32 line fix.cmd. In case you're not familiar with command prompt, you should be able to switch the directory using the cd command. According to users, you might be able to open HLP files on your PC simply by running a few commands from command prompt. But you need to copy WinHelp32.exe from Windows XP. Keep in mind that you need to copy the file from a 32-bit version of XP if you're using a 32-bit version of Windows 10. The same goes for 60-bit versions. After running the win10 help32 fix cmd, the issue should be resolved and you'll be able to view the help files on your PC. This is an advanced solution, so please read and follow the instructions carefully. And you can also install the patched WinHelp32 executable. First of all, what you have to do is download an archive that contains all the files you need for this procedure. You will also find a download link in the description below. Once you download it, you have to extract all the files to your PC. Then locate the install file, right-click on it and choose Edit. Notepad will now open. Locate the settings area and then add the following lines if they aren't there already. Set space Windows version equal 7 and then go to bypass version error. Now right-click the install file again and choose Run as administrator. Command prompt will open and run certain commands. After the procedure is completed, you just need to press any key to close command prompt. After you've done that, just drag and drop an HLP file to the WinHelp32.exe icon in order to open it. This is because the default application used to read the HLP files in older Windows platforms is WinHelp32.exe. Windows 10 doesn't have native support to open the HLP files, but if you have an older application that still uses those files, you can try to avoid this limitation by using one of the aforementioned solutions. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.